Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Scorpio water sign for the month of November. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see your messages, Scorpio. So your first card for the reading, Hermit. Oh, second card, Four of Swords, the World. So Scorpio, someone in this connection is not talking to other person. There is no contact or less contact between both of you. For some there is partial separation. I think it is temporary for some. For some it could be permanent also, because the World card is here. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you, you and your person. The Hermit card, you or your person could be Virgo also, and Four of Swords, you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Definitely there are some cycles are going to be end. I think one person undergoing some spiritual awakening. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. So yeah, there is no contact between both of you. Let's see what is going on your connection right now. So some more messages. Nine of Pentacles, Temperance, Six of Swords. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different country, different cities, different states. But one person stand by their power and they are very abundant. They are independent, emotionally and financially also. One person in this connection. Temperance, you or your person could be Sagittarius also. I think there is no patience and balance in this connection. That's why one person not talking to other person. There are some disturbances between both of you. And Temperance, definitely some patience and balance is needed right now. And Six of Swords, some communication. Yes, I think some communication is going to be happen between both of you. One person moving toward calm waters. I think that person undergoing some spiritual awakening also. Let's see some more. Three of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Ten of Wands. Yeah, Scorpio. So one person want to work on this relationship. They want to rushing towards the other person. Three of Pentacles means collaboration, partnership. I think you both could be colleagues also. I think in past there is no collaboration between you and your person, but now one person in this connection want collaboration with another person. And Knight of Swords, I think someone rushing towards the other person like this. Some communication also is going to be happen between both of you, but one person feeling very burdened. It could be your person, due to any reason, due to relationship, due to work pressure. But one person right now in so much pressure. Let's see some more. Yeah, Nine of Swords, the Fool, Five of Swords. Yeah, there is fighting something going between you and your person. Definitely that's why one person feeling overburdened. They're not talking to other person. They are feeling anxiety and depression. One person, it could be your person. So take what resonate. Definitely one person in this connection is this energy. They are in depression, anxiety. They are thinking about their person a lot, especially at the night times. They are unable to sleep. Yeah, because there are some disagreements or some fightings with their person. Five of Swords, and definitely they want new beginning with that person. If there is separation between both of you, one person in this connection is not overcoming that pain. They want new beginnings, but one person stand by their power. Nine of Pentacles is here, and Temperance, they are very balanced. One person is very balanced and stand by their power, but one person in this connection is in anxiety and depression and overburden. So who that person? No, you know very well, because it's your reading depending upon your situation. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's pull your person current feelings and then your future actions. Then we will get more clarity what is going on your connection. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Scorpio. Queen of Wands, Devil. Yeah, Seven of Swords. I think Your person want partnership with you. There is some sneaky energy, definitely. Your person may be playing some mind games with you in past. Still they are thinking like, I think your person is sneaky Scorpio, because the devil with seven of swords. Be careful before giving another chance to your person, if it is third party or if your person is manipulative, because they are very attracted to you, but there is some negative energy. The devil with seven of swords, definitely there are some sneaky energy. I think they are in and out your life, because knight of swords is here. When they want they will come, when they don't want they will go. So this energy is very creating deception in an obsession in this connection. Definitely five of swords. That's why I think you are like this sometimes, I think, or your person could be, but you overcome this pain, because nine of pentacles, you stand by your power. Let's see your person a future actions towards you. High priestess, ace of swords, knight of pentacles. For some I am getting your person, your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see what I'm seeing for other group. Your person current feelings for you, I think they are thinking like you are manipulative. For some you are maybe cheating on them, lied to you. For some your person thinking about you like that, seven of swords, because in past there are some misunderstandings between both of you. For some your person may be sneaky, so take what resonate. Definitely there are devil and a seven of swords. They are thinking about you negative, or your person thinking about you negative, or you are thinking, or your person may be sneaky and they are played some mind games with you. And high priestess now in action cards, definitely they are listening to their higher self. Ace of swords, some communication and truth coming out. Knight of pentacles, yeah, your person energy is very slow moving energy. Knight of pentacles, they want to offer this pentacle to you, but it is very very slow moving energy, yeah, but they are attracted to you. So if your person sneaky, if it is third party, think twice before giving chance to your person, Scorpio, because the devil with the seven of swords, yeah, they are playing some mind games. I'm getting they are sneaky, I'm getting. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed in near future. Okay, one card is, see, four of cups, ace of wands. From other deck, the lovers, ace of cups. So what I'm seeing here, you are doing self-love, Scorpio. You are loving yourself, you are giving priority to yourself. Definitely there is love in this connection, but there is also some sneak energy. The lovers always doesn't mean that there is love between. For some there is also physical intimacy, not emotional. That is also point. And ace of wands, definitely your person attracted to you, they are very very passionate about you, they want new beginnings with you, but your one person is not going to accept the cup of love which is offered by other person. I think it could be you, Scorpio, because if it is third party, your person sneaky and playing mind games with you. If it is not, it's up to you then, because you know your situation well. I'm just giving my these cards explanation. So definitely the lovers and ace of cups, definitely your person want new beginnings with you, but you are not going to accept. For some, if it is not third party, definitely there is a chance for new beginning, because ace of wands, passionate new beginnings. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Scorpio. Strength, wow, death, and high priestess. See, you are listening to higher self, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. So the one person who is not talking to other person in the starting reading, that is you. Okay, so you are not talking to your person, you are spiritually awakening, so you isolated yourself from all, yeah, then you stand by your power, then you gain your power back. Wow, your person could be Leo also. This is very very positive energy, Scorpio. So please take decision. You already listening to your higher self, so you don't worry about it. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. King of Cups, see, Three of Swords and Five of Swords reverse here. So why Five of Swords reverse? They want to end the disturbances between both of you, okay? And Three of Swords, without you they feeling like heartbroken. They want patch up with you. They want restart and new beginnings with you. King of Cups, because they found their feelings for you. Yeah, they realize your worth. But I think for some your person may be sneaky. They playing mind games with you. They are in and out your life. They want to test the waters I am getting. So it's up to you, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.